Welcome to Travels Unfiltered. Today we are showcasing the top 5 Amazon travel organisers, planners and journals. For more travel tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. When planning your travels, it's important to keep everything organised to make the most of your trip itinerary. So in this video, we're going to go through some of the best travel journals, planners and organisers that will help you document, plan and organise your trips abroad. Coming in at number 5 is the Lamare Travel Journal and Vacation Planner. Protected by a cute blue cover, this travel journal from Lamare contains plenty of sections inside for one to organise their trip. With this journal, you can easily note down destinations you want to visit and even keep track of your expenditure and budget. Featuring a minimalist design, trip planning with this journal is straightforward. Alongside this, Lamare makes sure to use environmentally friendly FSC paper in their products, and this particular journal has 100 GSM thick paper to prevent ink bleed. Lastly, with dimensions of 8.5 by 6.1 inches, this journal is compact enough to put in your carry-on bag and carry it with you along your travels. Coming in at number 4 is the Erin Condren Designs Petite Planner. Colour-coded by category, this planner contains pages that are dedicated to organising your flights, packing list, daily adventures and reservations to make your itinerary organised and easy to use. To encourage personalisation, this planner even comes with a sheet of gold stickers. Additionally, as a part of the Erin Condren Petite Planner line, this planner has been designed with the intention that it will be taken with you for the on-the-go organisation. If you want to make sure that your full itinerary is carefully documented and organised, the Erin Condren Designs Petite Planner would make a splendid addition for your travels. Coming in at number 3 is a J. Her Travel Planner with budget and expense trackers. Featuring a hardcover, this journal is one of the more durable options to bring with you on your trip. Able to plan up to 14 trips, this planner is filled with different useful categories to organise your holidays. It includes pages for note-taking, a packing list, a budget tracker, an itinerary, a bucket list, and even a world map. Moreover, the journal also comes with thick paper to make sure that ink will not bleed through the pages. Lastly, if you're looking to attach photos and other memorabilia to this journal, you can. It comes with a gold band to make sure that nothing falls out. Keep your memories safe and your travels organised with this planner. Coming in at number 2 is the Clever Fox A5 Vacation Planner. With a gorgeous engraved vegan leather hardcover, this Clever Fox planner makes vacation planning easy and fun. Inside the planner, you'll find an inner pocket for any loose notes, and even 2 sheets of 150 colourful stickers for you to decorate your planner with. This planner also comes with premium thick 120 GSM paper with assorted sections to organise your trip. With the Clever Fox Vacation Planner, you can create your travel bucket list and keep your most memorable travel moments in this journal. Finally, coming in at number 1, it's the Erin Condren Designs A5 Travel Journal and Vacation Planner. If you're looking to enjoy your travels without worrying about your schedule, then this is the planner for you. Made by a female-fronted company, this Erin Condren journal sources high-quality materials. The pages are made from thick, 80-pound thick mohawk paper and bound together by a strong aluminium coil. This journal is split between 2 main sections. The first is dedicated to planning for the first 14 days of your trip, allowing you to fully map out a detailed itinerary. The second section covers the other essentials and has room for journaling and your additional planning. This A5 travel journal allocates space for you to jot down your own personal reflections so that you remember every single moment of your journey. Altogether, this all-in-one planner makes for a great choice if you're looking to organise your trips in an efficient and stylish manner. And there we have it, our top 5 travel organisers, planners and journals. All of these items have their own unique charm, and to find out more about these organisers, just head to the links in the description box of this video. If you need more travel advice, like what travel items to bring with you on your next vacation, then make sure you check out our general travel tips playlist. You can find the link in the description box of this video. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!